Hi everyone, I have tried to recreate this 2016 makeup look. I hope you all enjoy the tutorial. It's been a roller coaster for me to recreate a 2016 makeup look, as in 2016 I was in school. I was not even allowed to apply this much makeup. So I have tried my best to create a 2016 look. Let me know if you like it. So let's recreate 2016 makeup look. In 2016 they didn't use any skincare before the makeup, so I'm skipping that. First I'm going to apply my primer. I'm using my She Glam Hydrating Primer. And then I'm going to apply a glowy base first. So I'm using Sunburst Glow Mixer from She Glam. I'm going to use my foundation brush to blend it. Now that I have a glowy base, I'm going to apply my foundation directly. I'm using my regular foundation from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to take a lot of foundation. In 2016, I have seen a lot of people use a chunk of foundation and they get a very matte base. I was in school in 2016, so I didn't use any makeup. I used to wear just Vaseline back then. So this is my first time trying 2016 makeup look. In 2016, everyone wanted a full coverage base and full matte base, so we are going to try that one today. Now we are going to use a very brightening concealer. So I'm using this one from She Glam. This is in the shade Buttercream. So in 2016 they use concealer like this. Also, they concealed their lid, forehead, and they also used concealer here. Now to smooth out everything, take a damp blender and even out everything. I forgot to set my eyebrows. 2016 was all about eyebrows, like thick eyebrows. First I'm going to brush my eyebrows. So I'm going to mix this one and this one together for my eyebrow shade. I never used cream gel on my eyebrow. This is my first time using cream gel. I need to clean my brows with a concealer again. I should have done it before I used concealer. No wonder I was in school back then. My eyebrows look like paintings right now. This is not at all natural. I have no idea how they did their eyebrows back then. Oh my god. Doing these eyebrows is the most difficult thing for me. Oh my god. Alright, now I have to clean my eyebrows. I'm just going to take this white color, this white concealer color, clean my eyebrows with it. I have cleaned my eyebrows, but it also has removed my foundation. So I have to reapply my foundation. Oh my god, this is such an intricate process. So now to set my face, I'm going to use a translucent powder. So I'm using my She Glam translucent powder. With a puff, I'm going to set my eyes first. Basically, I'm going to bake my eyes first. So I'm taking the powder. Now let our face set for a few seconds. Now we are looking like Casper the Ghost. We are going to let our under eye bake and we are going to dust off our eyelid first and start doing our eye makeup. I'm using my new She Glam Afterglow palette for today's look. At first I'm going to use this cool tone nude shade on my crease. I'm taking a blending brush. Pigmented, just one swipe. Then I'm going to take this yellow shade, this yellow brown one, and apply it only to the outer corner of my eyes. and blend it with the previous shade. I have used the same brush for both color. Now I'm going to take a concealer and do a cut crease. I'm taking a flat brush like this, taking the concealer. Best way to do is apply it here, okay, roughly here, and then look up. See, there is a bit mark. Now follow this line and create the cut crease. Now first and foremost, we need to set our concealer. I'm going to use the same flat brush to set my concealer, and I'm going to take a very neutral shade, like almost a skin color. So I'm taking the shade from Swiss Beauty palette, using the same concealer brush. I'm going to mix my translucent powder with the shadow, fix this concealer to set this eyes concealer. Now I'm just going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to take this shadow as I have set my concealer and just roughly brush it so everything is smooth. So now we are going to apply shimmer. We are going to take this shimmer and apply it to our inner corner. So take this shimmer shadow in a brush and apply it in the inner corner where you have already cut the crease for the shine. I have used this shimmer shadow. Now we are going to blend it with the darker shadow. So I'm taking this previous shadow. So we are going to blend this outer corner with a darker shadow. So for that I'm taking this one. I'm using the same brush. Now I want to apply some glitter. So I'm going to use this glitter on the outer corner. Not on the outer corner, like in the center of my eyelid, yeah. So it will give it a nice glow. Now I'm going to take a fresh brush and blend everything together so that there is no harsh line. Now I'm going to dust off my under eyes. I think my under eyes are big enough. Now I'm going to take this one and apply it on my under eye. Now we are going to apply a thick wing eyeliner. I have used Floor Mar eyeliner. So matte thick wing eyeliner done. So now we have to apply highlighter. So I'm using my regular highlighter palette. I'm using my favorite highlighter shade and I'm going to mix with this one and highlight our brow bone. It needs to be super shiny and also our inner corner. And also apply highlighter under your eyelash like this. So now we have to do our contour. So again I'm using my contour palette. In 2016 there was no cream contour, everything was powder contour and it was very harsh contour. So I'm using this contour shade. So in 2016 they didn't use any blush but they use bronzer. So I'm just going to bronze my face a bit. I'm using my regular bronzer. I think I'm going to apply a little bit blush. Just a very little amount I have applied. So now we are going to highlight our face. We are going to blind our face with highlighter. So in 2016 they applied tons and tons of highlighter. So I'm going to take this one and this one together. And blind everyone with your highlighter. Also on the forehead I have to take the highlighter and then create this exclamation sign. Now I'm going to apply a nude eyeliner on my waterline. Now I'm going to curl my eyelash and apply mascara. In 2016 everyone used to apply falsies, but I don't usually apply falsies, so I'm just going to skip that part. my eye look is done, I'm just going to apply lipstick. So in 2016, I have seen everyone used to use Kylie lip kit. I don't have any Kylie lip kit, neither I have ever used any Kylie lip kit. So look, my hair has got some concealer. See, my hair is really white. I'm using a deep brown lip liner. This is called Latte. This is a cool tone lip liner. In 2016, everyone used to use this cool tone deep brown lip liners and lipsticks. I have this one. This is called Deep Chestnut from Focalor. This is a cool tone deep brown lipstick. So now that my lips has dried down, you can see this is a very deep brown. This is my take on 2016 makeup look recreation. Let me know if you like it, and I'll see you in my next